Hi everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be talking about when your scalp itches after oil application. Now of course this doesn't happen to everyone, but a lot of times when this happens to people, they assume that it's because they are allergic or sensitive to some of the ingredients. And while that may be true for some, I don't believe that to be true for the majority. Okay, so if your scalp is itchy after oiling, here are some possible reasons and here are some solutions. So reason number one is excess application. Your scalp may be itching after oiling because you are either applying too much oil at a time or you are applying the oil too frequently. When it comes to oiling your scalp, a little really goes a long way. So keep that in mind. I know a lot of us can be heavy-handed. I am often guilty of that, but I'm very intentional now of not doing too much, because when you use too much product, it can cause itchiness, especially if you are not washing your hair as frequent to the amount of times you apply. So take that into consideration. If you are applying oil to your scalp every other day, but you're only washing your hair once a month, that is very excessive. You are creating a lot of buildup on your scalp, and that can cause itchiness. And that is reason number two, buildup on the scalp. Even when you're using lightweight oils with healthy ingredients, if you are not washing your hair, you are creating buildup. Even if you can't see it with the naked eye, you're creating buildup. I know sometimes when it comes to washing our hair and our scalps, it can be inconvenient due to our schedules and our lifestyles. So I would recommend that you go for a dry shampoo or even witch hazel and apply that to your scalp to clean it up a little bit in between washes. That's not a substitute for washing, but it will help you hold over until the next wash. Now, before I get into reason number three, I do want to let you all know that our seasonal urban lime oil is now available for pre-order. That is a customer favorite. It is only available in the spring and summertime, so definitely pre-order yours. Pre-ordering helps me to ensure that I'm creating enough oil for the demand. So if you definitely want some of your urban lime oil, pre-order it now, and it will be released with our March drop. So as you may know, our products drop now monthly on the 15th through the 18th, and that is when you can order, but pre-ordering is now available. And now you have the option to pre-order. So now you can order your Nurture with Nature box, which includes the horsetail leaf growth oil, the emu oil growth drops, and a rose water moisturizer with a refill. So you can order that, or you can order them individually in advance through pre-ordering. Or you can wait until the 15th of every month and just hope that there is enough in stock for you. So now back to my list. Number three, you may have a fungal or yeast overgrowth on the scalp. Now this is most apparent when you have a dandruff issue, if you are constantly dealing with flaking, if you have to wash your hair frequently. Oftentimes, it is due to a yeast overgrowth, and yeast is a type of fungus. A couple ways to tackle that. First and foremost, look at your diet. Please reduce the sugars. Please reduce the breads. And if you can do more than just reduce them, if you can actually eliminate them, you'll notice a drastic improvement in the condition of your scalp pretty quickly. So definitely give that a try. There are also medicated shampoos on the market that do help with these scalp conditions as well. And now number four, and I think this is a really big one that a lot of people overlook. You are not massaging the oils into your scalp when you're applying them. This is really important. Do not apply the oils to your scalp and then just let it sit on your scalp. You may think that you're massaging it when you're just distributing it all over, but that's not really massaging. You're just rubbing it in real quick. Massaging comes with intention. I want you to take 5 to 10 minutes massaging your scalp after oil application and see how much of a change you see in the condition of your scalp, in the condition of your roots, in the rapid rapidity, and the improvement in your hair growth. Give that a try. I want you to be intentional with your scalp massaging 5 to 10 minutes when you are applying. Give it a go. I hope this list was helpful. I actually really need to wash my hair. That's why I have it in this head wrap right now. So this is a cheat code for those of you who need to prolong wash day. Grab you a long locks head wrap and cover up your hair until you're able to wash it, okay? These are also available on KeishaCharmaine.com. Remember to head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and pre-order your products, whether it's your horsetail leaf growth oil, the emu oil growth drops, the rose water moisturizer and refill, or our seasonal urban lime oil. Now, what's so great about the urban lime oil? I love this formula. It's the perfect blend of horsetail and lime essential oil. So you probably already know how great horsetail is if you've been following me for any bit of time. But you may be wondering what's so great about lime essential oil for hair. Well, lime essential oil is rich in vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production, thus strengthens the hair. Lime's antifungal properties really help to reduce dandruff. The natural acidity within lime helps to smooth the cuticles of the hair, thus helping it appear shinier and less frizzy. Lime also has a lot of antioxidants, which helps to prevent breakage and damage. And last but not least, lime has a refreshing scent, which helps to neutralize unwanted odors and give you a beautiful spring fragrance. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.